How to enable low data users in Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable low data users in Zangi. This feature helps reduce the amount of internet data used during calls and messaging. First of all, launch or open the Zangi application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure that you tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on low data users and then go to the mobile data option and toggle on the switch. If your internet is expensive, enabling low data users mode for mobile data and Wi-Fi will help you consume minimum data during voice and video calls. If you want to do this for Wi-Fi as well, you can toggle on the switch, and that's how you can easily enable the low data users while using Zangi. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.